Hi, I'm Heather Stafford. I am the Director of Student Health Services. Welcome back to WSU. I'm here to tell you about the medical care on campus that you can receive as a student. I believe that for you as a new student to WSU, again, you will still have to complete a requirement, but we also want you to know about our services. We are a primary care office that provides acute illness and injury care, preventative health. We also do a lot of prescriptions in our medication room. We have an on-site laboratory and an on-site radiology where we do x-rays and ultrasounds. We have a lot of specialists in our office. We can do mental health medication management. We have a dietitian who comes to our clinic and does evaluations for nutrition, physical therapy, and athletic training, along with a chiropractor. A lot of our services are very affordable. We make sure that we file all insurances, but we are in network with Blue Cross Blue Shield, Aetna, United Healthcare Student Resources. I also want to mention our applied learning. We have a lot of students that come back to school for being a physician associate, nurse practitioner, nursing school to get their BSN, and we have a lot of those students who do clinical rotations through our clinic, or they might even have a position where they work as an employed student in our clinic. I wanted to talk about some of the services that are specific to returning adults. I think that using our MyShocker Health patient portal is very advantageous for you. If you're working all day, going to class in the evenings, and you have no time to discuss any issues that you're having medically with a provider, you can use our MyShocker Health portal to log in and ask secure message questions and communicate with a healthcare provider. Just asking questions may not necessitate an appointment, and it might be an easy way for you to get the answers that you're looking for. Finally, I think that with our services being as cheap as they are, even if you don't have health insurance, you can use our services. You can purchase medication from our drug room. We have over-the-counter medicines that don't require an appointment, and we have prescriptions as well. So if there's anything you need when you come to the different requirements that are on campus, there is a tuberculosis screening that all new or returning students are required to complete. It's just a questionnaire. It's an online electronic form, and that is the requirement. If you have any issues logging in or trying to find this form, please give us a call at 316-978-4792, and we can help you and go step by step to help you complete that requirement. Thank you.
Hi, I am Cora Olson, and I am the Wellness Program and Outreach Manager with HOPE Services, which stands for Health, Outreach, Prevention, and Education. We're kind of like the applied learning portion of the Student Wellness Center, along with student health and counseling and psychological services. And so there are a few things for you to be aware of that you can benefit from as a student coming back to Wichita State. One is our Suspenders program, which was founded here at Wichita State, and it is our prevention and health promotion program that focuses on promotion of health and wellness, the prevention of suicide, prevention of substance misuse and overdose, and the prevention of sexual violence. And so we have a ton of resources and trainings and skill building programs and processes that you can explore on our website, wichita.edu/hope. We'd love to have you take one of our trainings. And you can get a suspender shirt as part of our mental health awareness and decreasing stigma campaign. We also offer resources like individualized wellness cards for students. You can get those for free. They're just a variety of activities that you can practice in your own life. We also have an applied learning opportunity, our Prevention Ambassador program. It's just a couple hours a week that we would love to have you connect with students from across campus and across disciplines. You can find more information about that on our website as well. And welcome back.
My name is Samantha Tedder. I am the Clinical Director at Counseling and Psychological Services, or CAPS, because that's a mouthful. Coming back to Wichita State, we are located in the newer building, the Steve Clark YMCA. That's where all of us are actually located. And it's good to know that you can access our services in many different ways. One way is by calling 316-978-4792. It's the same number as Student Health to schedule your first appointment. You can also go online to wichita.edu/CAPS, that's CAPS, to schedule your first appointment. We offer a variety of services. Mental health treatment can include individual therapy, where you'll be paired up with either a licensed therapist or someone who's in training with supervision by a licensed therapist. We also offer couples counseling, and that means just one partner has to be a WSU student. So if you're with someone who is not a partner and if you're with someone who doesn't go to WSU, they can still access that service. And then we also offer group therapy. Majority of our appointments are $10, but some of those services like group therapy is actually free. So it's good to know that even though coming back to therapy, coming back to college can be very intimidating, we don't want the price to be intimidating. So $10, we do not charge insurance, so you don't have to worry about that either. If you have any questions, feel free to call. Again, my name is Samantha Tedder, and welcome back to WSU.